How do you join Socratic service Asa? I will show you. So click on this link to come into my Telegram through this link and go to your extension browser where you will accomplish every task that you wanna do. Open in browser, click on there and come on your extension browser same way that you did before. Maybe you are related to internet, you know everything already. So anyways, Layer3 is the thing. It is like Glax. I already shared with you some platform, their hosting platform to doing quiz task, you know, for company. Those are crypto company. It could be any company. They are hosting. They are provide their quiz there, and their audience is participate there. They maintain their instruction there, and therefore Layer3 is the like Galax, that is a hosting platform. So join Stoker Discord, begin, click on there, open Discord, and whatever they provide you, and go through your browser here, and okay, so it is loading few way. I need to charge my phone right now, so wait few minutes here, and I'm hoping you are kind of patient here anyways, and it's coming Discord browser, and yeah, click on accept, and that will bring into exactly in Discord. So until that, wait, how everything is will be done through me, and learn from here this video. Everything I will put together like about this airdrop. Until that, wait here, and Discord is loading somewhere, and yeah, there is right now into Discord, inside of the Discord, and here is maybe click on this tick button, and yeah, you already joined. Here is not verified thing happened, and come back onto Layer3 quiz here socket, and the real same way will be loading like this, like Glax, but end of the day everything will be done. So wait few minutes here, everything would be done, and yeah, pretty much simple to do. Connect your wallet. Okay, your wallet is connected already. It could be MetaMask, it could be Token Pocket, it could be BitGet wallet, it could be OKX. Just you have to have a Web3 wallet. Its extension way. Begin, verify. Click on verify. Discord account is not linked. Okay, if it is not linked, I will connect my Discord here. Going to going to three dot, and here we will see. So three dot, so profile, click on there, edit profile, connect Discord, and Discord is loading here. I will suggest to everything will connect to like social media. I will suggest to do connect. It could be Twitter, Telegram, everything. Okay. So yeah, pretty much straightforward, nothing fancy here. And click on authorize, and that will bring into in layer 3 when that will be done. And yeah, nothing fancy here, everything like you can do that yourself. Fucking that, nothing need to seeing others video, just see here and learn. Everything is same. I will suggest you to connect Twitter as well, connect Telegram, connect GitHub, like everything I will suggest you to do connect, because of when you will join in any airdrop inside of layer 3, they will want from you Twitter, Discord, so wait here a few minutes to doing connect, nothing fancy. And yeah, end of the day everything will be done, just need some time. So click on authorize apps, and this will be done here, nothing fancy. So wait here a few minutes. Layer 3 XYZ setting profile, and nothing fancy. Wait a few minutes here, come back, again back. Okay, I will suggest to come through that link, start that link. I will suggest to after connect. You can fucking click this link and copy this and go on here and paste this browser, this exact link, and that will be done very well. So wait here a few minutes, and after connected every wallet, click on that verified button, and that will be done. So while you will go outside of layer 3, that will over and over again will be from you. We'll want to from you connect wallet, this type of thing, but click on verify, and that will be done now because you are connected, you're done. So open your Twitter to follow them, come and do there, and yeah, your intent is to doing follow here, twitter.com intent follow, and yeah, it's pretty much straightforward, nothing fancy here. Click on follow, come back and verify, and yeah, bridge from BNB to RBTM, cross chain swapped at least 50 USDT from BNB chain to RBTM via match. Cross chain swap at least $50 USDT from BNB chain to RBTM via match. So if you have, you can do that. Just click on their link and come into here. You will see everything. Connect wallet. Click on there, MetaMask, and yeah, easy to do. That's loading. Put your password here, and yeah, select Swiss network and done. Swapped. Click on three dot, request feature. If I come back here, verify, there will not be done because transaction is not yet done. So trade, click on there, sell, switch to BNB, switch to BNB, just loading, switch network. So is Shiba mask I am seeing. If I click on there and do max review order, if I select that exactly BNB, nothing fancy here, Shiba mask. If I click and select USDC, 20 cent charged, by here is showing like so much approved spending. Okay, come back on our this BNB to our return swap, done. Cross chain, select, so click on trade, market, here is Shiba mask, USDT, select, approve spending Shiba mask, BSC fee, approve spending, approve in your wallet. Click on there and there is loading, wait few minutes. Next, approve and approve spending Shiba mask. And there will be one from something new. And next, approve and review order. Purchase this order will cost the price to the current market price. Are you sure you want to proceed? Use continue. Oops, something went wrong. Okay, back. So it doesn't make sense to me why this is not working. Yes. Trending silver. So this is our BNB token. Anyways, just enter here, come back on here, so here is from Layer3 they are like Layer3 wanting from us doing bridge. If you noticed, you will see that. So like so it is, if you have $50 you can do that in here cross chain and select your token here. Select your Arbitrum, if I do something here, not route available for the select cross chain. So after doing that, just come back again here. So it's loading pretty much. Your wallet would be connected automatically, and yeah, click on confirm, connecting, continue. Everything is pretty much done without except bridging and swapping. Continue, verify, and after click verify, if you do that it will be done, and after that swap, and after swap it will be done. So nothing fancy, and yeah, see you later in the next time.